Do you want to watch some chickens lay some eggs? In this video, I want to show you how I witnessed firsthand two of my chickens actually laying eggs. You can see like the position in which they stand, how they interact with the other chickens, because there happened to be one chicken that remained in the box the whole time when there were the other chickens going in the box to lay the eggs. And you can kind of see like the behavior that takes place as they're interacting with all of this. Now, one thing that they did not do that they normally do that you can hear outside the coop when they're laying eggs is the chicken song. So they did not do that. They were very quiet, probably because I was standing there. If you don't really give a crap about watching the behavior and how the chickens are interacting with each other as this egg laying process is taking place, you can go ahead and skip to these two marks for the first and the second chicken that laid eggs. But if you love nature and if you love watching animals interact with each other and watching them pretty much in their element, then make sure you watch the whole video. There was at a couple points the weirdest noise coming out of the chickens. It sounded like the noise that creature makes in Stranger Things. I don't know what it's called, but if you know when you hear it and if you know what it is, go ahead and pop it in the comments below. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started so you can check out what it really looks like when chickens are actually laying eggs.
One on deck and two waiting. Two more if you count them. Oh, we got some more peeking their heads in. I've never heard that sound before. So I have 4 boxes, but they love laying in this one right here. I don't know what it is about this box. My older flock always laid in that box right there, but this is the favorite now. And I've already collected 10 eggs today, all in this box. That's not more than one day. I came out yesterday and there was 0 eggs. Today I came out and I've already collected like 10. What's it gonna be, ladies? We have an audience. She really wants to get in there, and the other one really does not want to leave. And it's a super windy day outside today. Jesus, it sounds like that creature on Stranger Things. Oh, I think she's gonna lay an egg. Are we gonna witness this? Oh, there's the egg. Right there. Oh my God, I've never watched it happen live. That is so cool. I love this experience. Let me know how many of you have watched a chicken actually lay an egg. And when chickens lay an egg, there's this bloom that they naturally have on the outside of the eggshell to protect any bacteria from getting in. Oh, this is so cool. These are my older ladies from my original flock. They're almost 5 years old. They'll be 5 in April. We're now sitting at, I think today is December 28th, 2025. Guess they're done watching. Are you wanting to get in there and lay an egg? Oh, and the other chickens are free ranging, by the way. Oh, here comes a lady. Oh my God. Never heard that sound before. She's kind of dirty. She's trying to make a nest. I think she's gonna lay an egg so bad. She's just waiting. I don't understand why they don't use the other boxes. There's 3 more. If you know the answer to that, let me know. She's going in. She's carefully trying to step around. Surely she's not going to try to lay right there. She hasn't moved in a while. That's not really a good place for her to lay an egg. Okay, she keeps going back and forth. What's the most chickens you've seen in the same nesting box? We might get to witness 2. Such a process. Come on, baby. Oh, I think she laid the egg. I can see it. It's right back there. It's a green egg. There it is. Let's see what this head does with. Oh, there she goes. She's stuck it underneath her. Sort of. And that, my friends, is how chickens lay eggs. We witnessed not 1, but 2. Gosh, I'm tempted to put a camera in here so we can watch this live. I'm just afraid they would tear my camera up. Anyways, that is so exciting. Let me know if you liked this video. I know we do a lot of videos pertaining to chickens and gardens and different things around the house, inside and out. We do a lot of cooking and grilling and baking. Bees are coming soon, so there's going to be several videos on bees. All right, super excited. And let me know about your experiences with chickens and laying eggs, and if you've ever been able to witness firsthand them laying the eggs. Until next time, thank you for watching.